Good evening, everyone, and welcome to our Smart MEV Bot Community webinar. My name is Zoe, and I'm excited to walk you through one of the most innovative tools in the blockchain trading space today. So, whether you are exploring ways to grow your crypto portfolio or searching for new passive income streams, this session will give you all the clarity you need. And before we begin, I'm thrilled to announce that Smarts is no longer limited to just one Solana chain. It is now officially supports Binance Smart Chain BSC as well. So unlocking even greater earning potential for our users. Besides, Smarts now offer users with simpler solution on depositing their funds. It had launched a new deposit method, which is wallet binding. And the bot now supports wallet binding for deposits, so it is no longer necessary to copy the Smart's wallet address to a wallet in order to deposit. But before that, you will need to authorize and bind your wallet before making a deposit. So over the next few minutes, we will talk about what the Smart's MEV bot is, how it works, and most importantly, how you can benefit both as a user and as a business builder. Okay, so now let me share my screen first. Okay. Okay, so let's begin with what makes Smart so unique. So the Smart MEV bot is a fully automated trading bot designed to perform MEV or maximal extractable value strategies. So what that means is that the bot detects profit opportunities directly within blockchain transaction flows, execute trades automatically, and delivers returns. So our blockchain all of this without any manual intervention. So once you activate the bot and deposit your funds, it runs continuously 24/7 and it identifies opportunities, front runs them using a sandwich strategy and captures profit with high frequency precision. And there's no need to monitor markets or execute trades manually. You simply just sit back while the bot will work for you. Okay. So next, what truly sets Smarts apart is from other bot, its approach. So unlike other expert advisors used in forex trading, which operate based on fixed strategies and indicators, Smarts doesn't rely on any single trading patterns, but instead it uses a dynamic real-time sandwiching procedure to extract value from the blockchain transactions, adapting to opportunities as they happen. And when we compare it to the Crypto Sniper bot, which often target newly launched tokens, Smarts also stands out because sniper bots can be incredibly risky while they can fall victim to rug pulls or honeypot scams, losing all your capital in seconds. Smarts avoid these scenarios entirely because it doesn't chase hypes. It extracts value from the structure of the blockchain itself, not from speculation. So this means that lower risk, optimized profits, and a much more secure trading experience. Okay. So now let me highlight some of the Smart's core features that truly sets it apart. So Smarts is packed with high performance features designed for speed, automation, and security. So it tracks real-time mempool data, applies automated MEV sandwiching strategies, minimizes gas fee, and executes trade with high precision. It also protects transactions from front runners using private execution methods. So everything is handled automatically, so users can just focus on the results, not coding or timing the market. Okay. So on the back end, Smarts runs on powerful infrastructure that combines predictive simulation, block level optimization, dynamic transaction bundling, AI-driven strategy adaptation, and private routing. So this advanced system works together to boost efficiency, execution speed, and profit extraction, all while operating quietly and securely in the background. Okay. And now we are proud to share that Smarts is now officially live on the Binance Smart Chain. So in addition to the Solana chain. So this means that users now have even more flexibility, more trade volume, and also more potential for profit, all powered by the same trusted smart infrastructures. Okay. Okay, so what does this dual chain support really mean? So let's take a quick look at the value of BSC brings. So on average, users will see a nearly 60% higher daily returns when running smart on both of the Solana and also the BSC chain. And it is with a block time of just 0.75 seconds. So BSC is perfectly built for the speed and also skill required by MEV strategy. So dual chain functionality actually helps reduce the risk of over relying on a single network. So it is about greater performance with greater stability. And just to give you a sense of traction, we have already recorded over 450 transactions in just the first 2 hours of going live on BSC. So the trade frequency was about 45% higher than Solana, and early adopters have already captured over $15,000 dollars in profit. So that's how impactful this launch has been. Okay. Okay, so here's what the journey would look like and where we are headed to. So during the Q1, which is the quarter one on the Solana chain, so this was our initial deployment. So we tested our algorithms, gathered the feedbacks and fine-tuned the trade logic. All of this laid the groundwork for the scalable engine we have today. And on Q2, which is today and this quarter, we expanded to the Binance Smart Chain. So this unlocked lower gas fees, better execution, and a potential 60% boost in returns. So thanks to the broader access and faster processing. Okay. So next up, which is during the quarter three, is the Arbitrum expansion. So we are actually bringing smarts to another major chain, aiming to extract MEV opportunities across networks without you needing to do any extra technical setup. And by year end, we are actually launching new bots to the market. So which is the Atomic Arbitrage bot and also the Backrun Liquidation bot. So unlocking new high impact ways to engage in DeFi and expand your earning powers. Okay. So getting started with Smarts is extremely simple. So first, you just have to connect your wallet securely to the platform. And second, you just have to activate your Smarts MEV bot by depositing funds. And third, just sit back while the bot takes over, scanning the mempool and executing profitable trades with millisecond precision. And lastly, track your performance using the built-in dashboard. Everything is transparent, automated, and optimized for both beginners and experienced users. So Smarts has already earned the trust of thousands of users from around the world. So you can see some of their feedbacks here. And from those who were once intimidated by MEV to the experienced traders now using Smarts to scale their earnings, this testimonial shows how the bot has made MEV trading accessible, easy, and also reliable. So even for people with no technical backgrounds. Okay. Okay, so now let's talk about the business side. So, which is one of the most powerful aspect of Smarts is the referral program. So, beyond your own trading profit, you can grow a secondary income stream by simply sharing the platform. So, the value doesn't just come from using the bot, but it also comes from building a network around it. So, as more people activate their bots and deposit funds, you earn rewards through the referral systems, and this transforms Smarts into not just a trading tool, but also a platform for building passive income through community expansion. So to get started, all you need is just a one-time subscription fee, which is with no monthly renewals, no hidden fees. So the current launch price is just 49.9 USDT. So discounted from the original 99.9 USDT. So once subscribed, you will gain a lifetime access to one of the most advanced MEV bots in the market. And in terms of the monthly return on investment, the bot delivers up to 36% monthly ROI, depending on market condition. So this allows you to enjoy consistent profit potential even in volatile times. And because it is all automated, your gains will compound over time without effort. Okay. And now here's the section you will want to pay close attention to. So, which is the profit sharing model. So this is where things get really interesting for those who look for to scale their returns. Smart actually offers four contract options with different lock-in periods and reward splits. So the one-day contracts gives you a 50-50 profit share and requires just a 20 USDT deposit with a cap at 100 USDT. So for the 7 days contract, it increases your share to 55% and you can deposit up to 300 USDT. So for those who are looking for even higher returns, the 30-day contract offers a 65-35 split starting at 100 USDT with a maximum cap at 1000 USDT. And finally, which is the most rewarding one, which is the 100-day contracts, it gives you an 80% split to the user and 20% split to the company. Again, starting from 100 USDT, but this time with no maximum cap. Okay, so this actually means that longer contracts offer better profit splits and are perfect for those who seek for more passive income. Features like automatic compounding and auto renewals are available for the 30-day and the 100-day contracts, helping you to grow your capital consistently. But just note that the one-day contracts are strictly locked with no early exit, while the others allow early termination under certain terms. So overall, this model is designed to reward the commitment and consistency. So on top of your own profit and referrals, there is an additional layer of rewards through the community program. So you will earn a 10% from the users you directly invite, which is your direct referrals, but it doesn't stop there. So you will also earn a 5% from their referrals up to 20 levels deep. Okay, so this means as your network grows, so does your passive income. So imagine a growing community where everyone is earning and you benefit from the ripple effect of every user who joins. So the more people you have on board, the more you earn. And even if they are not directly under you. Okay. So you might be questioning on how to unlock all the 20 levels. So to unlock all the 20 commission levels, there are two conditions you must meet for each level. First is your personal deposits amount. So for example, to unlock the level 1, you will need to deposit an at least of 100 USDT. So to unlock level 20, 2000 USDT deposit is required. So for the second condition is the total contract volume from your direct referrals. Okay. So to unlock level 1, the referrals must reach a combined 1000 USDT in contract volume. And for the level 20, the number is 30,000 USDT. So if your referral volume drops below the threshold for a certain level, your reward access will be downgraded, but don't worry. As soon as you meet the requirements again, you will regain the previous level. And this system ensures fairness and encourages constant activity while giving you a long-term earning potential. Okay, so now Smarts has a reward program where you can earn a $40 every time someone you refer activates the Smarts MEV bot, which is with the lifetime access at 49.9 dollar. So no contracts, no waiting, just instant rewards. But please note that you must activate your own bot before referring others. So referred user must also activate their bot to qualify, and this offer applies only to the direct referrals. Okay, so now that we have covered how the Smarts MEV bot works and how the profit sharing model is structured, so let's take this one step further. So I'm going to show you exactly what your potential earnings could look like using our profit calculator, and it will help you to project your earnings based on your investment profit percentage, contract duration, and also whether you want to compound your profits or not. Okay, so let me share my screen again. Okay. Okay. So you can see that this is the Smart MEV calculator, and let's go ahead and run the live example together. Okay, so first I'll enter an initial amount of 1000 USDT. Okay, and next I'll set the expected daily profit at 1%, which is the reasonable estimate based on the average performance range of the bot. And then I'll select the contract duration to 100 days, which gives us the best profit sharing model of 80% to the user and 20% to the company. And for this run, I'm going to leave the compounding interest off, just so we can see what happens with simple fixed profits first. Okay, so as you can see, the total value is generated over the 100 day is 1,800 USDT, and out of that it shows the user profit as well, which is 800 USDT, and along with the total percentage return. So you can see it's 80%, and this actually gives you a clear and transparent view of what you can expect without touching your earnings. Okay. So now let's take this one step further, and I'm going to run the exact same input, which is 1,000 initial investment, 1% daily profit percentage, and 100 days investment duration. But this time, I'll enable the compounding interest, which means your daily profit is reinvested automatically to grow the base amount. Okay. Yeah. So now let's take a look at the difference here. Okay, so you can see that our total profit has significantly increased, which is around 1,200 USDT, and your percentage return is more than 120% here. So not only do you earn more, but your capital is also growing day by day, every single day. So this is the power of compounding. So it allows your earning to grow exponentially over time. Okay, so this also means that the longer you let the bot run with compounding enabled, the greater the growth potential, especially for the 30-day and also the 100-day contracts. Okay. Okay, all right. So now that we have seen what's possible on the trading side, let's look at the potential from a business and also the referral perspective. Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, the bot not only rewards you on using the bot, but also introducing it to the others. Okay, so when those people starts to trade and compounding their profits, that is when your referrals rewards really starts to grow. Okay, so to help you visualize this, we actually prepared a series of projection slides showing the potential commissions you could earn based on different total contract volumes, and from 100,000 USDT all the way up to 10 million USDT. Okay, so let's walk through the numbers together now. So at the 100,000 USDT, your commission ranges from around 7,400 USDT at the 0% compounding to over 14,000 USDT with full compounding. Okay, and at the 200,000 contract volume, that doubles up. Okay, reaching up to 28,000 USDT. And if your network grows to 500,000, you could be looking at commission exceeding 70,000 USDT with full reinvestment. And at the 1 million, that number scaled to over 142,000 USDT at full compounding. And at the 5 million mark, the commission could cross 700,000 USDT. And for those who is thinking big, at 10 million contract volume, your potential commission hits 1.4 million USDT if your network is fully compounding. Okay, so the key takeaway here isn't just the raw numbers, but it is how powerful compounding becomes at scale and how consistent network activity, even at a 50% compounding, continues to generate strong returns. So you can see at 50% compounding, your earnings can be cross around 1 million USDT here. Okay, so whether your goal is a few $100s or per month or something much more significant, this projection actually shows that it is possible and scalable. So with the right plan and also the network focus. Okay, so just to summarize, we have covered everything from how the Smarts MEV bot works to how you can profit from it individually and through your network as well. Okay, so you have seen the power of daily compounding through the calculator, and you have also seen the flexibility of profit sharing model, and now you have seen the commission scale as your community grows. So this is more than just a trading tool. It is a smart and structured way to build long-term passive income in the crypto space. So backed by automation, technology, and community sharing. Okay, so thank you once again for being part of today's session. We will be hosting another webinar tomorrow. It is a walkthrough to our Smarts platform, and I'll guide you step by step on how you can check your earnings and how you can deposit funds and everything. Okay, so if you are interested, you can join tomorrow's session. And actually, this webinar and for tomorrow's webinar, we host this every week on Wednesday and Thursday. So if you know anyone who could benefit from this, and whether they are looking to trade, grow a network, or build a passive income stream, do invite them to join us. Okay, thank you so much. Yes.